Have you ever forgotten your bike keys or got annoyed with your bike lock? So, what if you didn't need a key to use your bike lock? Right, you've seen that before. But what if you actually didn't have to do anything at all and your bike would still be safe? With iLock-It, we created the world's first fully automatic bike lock that does exactly that. iLock-It automatically unlocks your bike when you're in close proximity, so you can just get on it and ride. And once you leave your bike, iLock-It makes sure it's safe. All of this is fully automatic, so you don't have to press any buttons or struggle with your bulky bike lock. With iLock-It, you can worry less and enjoy more, because that's what bike riding should be about. iLock-It is built with strong and durable materials and can be easily attached to most bikes and e-bikes. And if your smartphone runs out of battery, you can easily open iLock-It with your custom click code. Also, if you don't want to take your smartphone with you, you can simply use the iLock-It key fob instead. To give you a higher security, iLock-It not only locks your bike, but with its integrated sensors, also sets off an alarm in case anybody tries to break it or tries to carry away your bike. So, you will receive a notification that someone is tampering with your bike, and the bike thief gets scared away. So, you want to leave your bike for a long time? Simply add our additional cable to secure your bike with a fixed object. No need to carry an additional lock. Of course, all iLock-It functions can be easily configured with the iLock-It smartphone app. For example, you can change the proximity for locking and unlocking. The iLock-It app also allows you to easily and securely share your bike with friends and family with just a couple of clicks. Sharing your bike has never been easier.
Asked me to give her my old bike so she could ride it to work, which I did, and then I got scared.
Scared because large cities are not always a safe place to ride a bike.
You have to slalom your way between potholes the size of a truck.
And urban drivers are not always the most patient or diplomat citizens.
So I started asking myself, how could I make this better for her? And I made a list of all the basic specifications that a perfect urban mobility system would need to meet.
You need maneuverability, which means a short wheelbase and a steep head tube to reduce your turning radius so you can manage extremely tight corners. A large front wheel to overcome any obstacle the city puts in your way. A small motorized rear wheel to increase acceleration and climb steeper roads. You should be standing in an upright position. Because there is a lot going on in the city, you need to keep an eye on your surroundings and be able to get on and off very easily. It needs to be simple, easy to use, intuitive, and almost maintenance-free.
Folding bikes haven't changed in over 30 years. They use small wheels and hinged frames that sacrifice performance and rideability in order to achieve a compact size. They are heavy, awkward to use, but worst of all, they don't actually fold that small. We wanted to create a folding bike with big wheels. A bike that looks, rides, and feels like a normal bike, but could still fold small. Smaller than any other folding bike. It also had to be lightweight, easy to use, and exceptionally safe. Introducing Helix. Helix is a revolutionary new folding bike. It has 24-inch wheels, a one-piece titanium frame, and a patent-pending locking system that is free of hinges and clamps. Helix can go anywhere. Ride it to work, put it in the trunk of your car for your next road trip, take it on your next vacation. We set out to design a modern folding bike that didn't compromise rideability for size. Using patent-pending helical hinges, we were able to put the wheels beside the frame and between the crank arms. Helix was created using modern computer-aided design and manufacturing processes. It uses the latest bicycle technologies. Helix improves on decades-old folding bike designs in every possible way. It rides better, folds smaller, and is safer and easier to use. Manufacturing a folding bike is difficult. Manufacturing a folding bike that pushes the limits of performance, compactness, and usability requires a hands-on approach and a high level of control over the entire process. That's why Helix will be made in Canada. We're a group of designers, engineers, and manufacturing experts. We're also passionate cyclists. Our goal is to make the best folding bike in the world. We will oversee the entire manufacturing process right here at home. We're ready and excited to go. With your help, we can make it happen.